Hey guys, I want to show you this SYMA S100 Mini Helicopter. Now this is a remote controlled helicopter and this is very, very small. You see here it's got a length of 105 millimeters with a width of 25 millimeters and a height of 60 millimeters. This is going to include a charger cable and a tool to open the battery. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Okay, so here is the controller and here is the actual helicopter. Here is a bag with extra parts. Here's the charge cable. See, that's USB-A. And here is the screwdriver that they provide. Also included is an instruction manual, just going over all the basics of the controller and how to control your helicopter. Taking a look at the controller, see here, this is going to be your up, down, forward, back, left, right. This is going to help tilt your helicopter if it's leaning in one direction or not. And this is going to be your takeoff and land button. And of course your power button to turn your controller on and off. This does take 4 AAA batteries in it. Take a look at the helicopter, you can tell this is very small. And I like the little green colors. I like the black. See, here's got 2 propellers and 1 on the back. There is a on and off switch, and that is where you would charge your helicopter. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a charge and put some batteries in the controller and show you exactly what this looks like when it's flying. Okay, so I have this already charged and I have batteries in the remote, so I'm going to turn the remote on. I already have the helicopter on. I'm going to push the button to start it up. All right, so I'm going to start it up now. You see this is very easy to control. This is recommended for inside use only. And this is actually a lot of fun. You see how you can turn it left and right. This will go up and down. And this is forward and back. So it does take a little practice to get used to, but it is a lot of fun to play with. And my kid is having a blast with this.